students. First of all, I guess you are speaking, back home, and you must be, some of you must be in your hostels as well. So, how is the situation over there? Everything fine? I hope you can hear me clearly. So, is everything all right back home or back in your hostels?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great to know. Now, could you please update me what we have completed till now? I mean, how many phrases have we done? Nikunj?
Sir, some phrases we have done before holy holidays. After that, it is first class.
Okay. So, some phrases बोले तो कौन से phrase याद है?
सर याद तो नहीं.
ठीक है. Okay. Uh, let's do one thing then. Uh, if I open the board, can all of you see what about Vaibhav? Shiv, can you see the screen, the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Tushar? Vaibhav? Who's responding? What about, I would like to hear Piyush telling me, okay, sir, yes, we can see the whiteboard. Can we see it, Piyush? Mr. Piyush? Okay, I guess Piyush cannot listen to my voice. What about Rajkumar beta?
Yes, yes, sir.
अच्छा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if we are dealing with uh, types of phrases first. Normally, this chapter is obviously, as you know, phrase clause analysis, but we have to discuss first of all the phrases, what types of phrases are there. So, when we are talking about what types of phrases, there is you have noun phrase, there is word phrase, there is sorry, preposition phrase. One by one, we'll find out all of them. Prepositional phrase, adverb phrase, and adjective phrase. Now, as you, as Nikunj told me, we have completed. If I correctly remember, I have completed noun phrase and
Yes, sir.
verb
Noun
phrase.
phrase. Yes, sir. Verb phrase का भी.
नाउन और वर्ब फ्रेज कंप्लीट हो चुका था. तो अब आते हैं प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज में. ओके, प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज में if we are uh, just a second, lots of Every time this, corona figures go up, I get notifications. What am I supposed to do if the figures go up? When I'll be one of those figures, if God is not happy with me, then it will mean something. Till then, all of us need to be extra careful, please. I hope you are careful. Be very alert. This time, it's not a great, you can easily, you never know, you can easily contract the virus. So be very alert. Maintain cleanliness, maintain decency. Sorry, distance. Decency, yeah. That also counts over here. So, huh. So now I come back to prepositional. अच्छा prepositional phrase को what about if I say PP? It's PP. Okay, prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. ये first point, second point, and the preposition always carries a noun as object. Remember this carefully. Example, the first easiest example I used to give you, यहाँ bold किया जा सकता है नहीं. So what I'll do is preposition को मैं I am coloring the preposition in red. Oh, the whole thing changes. Then it is not going to work. Okay, I'll try. Now, where is the preposition? It's here. अरे इसमें वो नॉर्मली जो हम लोग कर सकते हो यहाँ पे नहीं होता है.
सब वर्ड में होता है वो.
या वर्ड में होता है. चलो, on is your preposition. Okay, and here table, this is the noun, so which is modified by the determiner. The एक determiner है, ठीक है, which is modifying the noun. So the table is the object of the preposition, and in the object you can see a noun. From here on I'll give you some examples. So prepositions can function as adverbials. I think I should shift to that one, I will shift to sharing my screen. This will be better. Wait. Word. Can you see my screen? I mean, can you see the word file?
नो सर, जूम
No.
गूगल क्रोम दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, एक मिनट. There are limitations in Zoom. I don't like this. Okay, now you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we will now here I wanted to say prepositional phrases can function as adverbials. Agar if you remember what uh, the meaning of an adverbial is, uh, like whenever you answer the question where, when, how much, um, to what extent, um, what degree, mm, hmm. If you answer these questions, then it's an adverb. I mean, you are actually getting an adverb. If you are having, multiple words in such forms, then it is an adverbial. So, uh, when you say she sang wonderfully at the concert last evening. Aha. Now, if you carefully dissect this sentence, first of all, where is the verb? Which is the finite verb over here? Can you tell me? Come on, someone from this section. Which is which is a finite verb in this sentence? Can you see any finite verb? Hello, I'm talking to you guys. Srijan,
The sang.
sang. Good. Maybe I know the answer, but still I want to know, double check. I know that you know the answer. Still, I want to double check. I don't want to take any chances. So this is a uh, verb that we have. Of course, this is a verb. Now we have यहाँ पे तीन पार्ट है. देखो, पहला तो ये सेंटेंस को बहुत एनालिसिस करते हैं, बहुत तरीकों से कर सकते हैं. We have three adverbs, three types of adverbs. ये वाला adverb बता रहा है how का आंसर बता रहा है कि sang, how did she sing wonderfully, manner बता रहा है. In this particular phrase you get the answer, where did she sing. ठीक है. This is adverb. I mean, this is an adverbial of place. ये adverbial है, ये adverb सिर्फ नहीं, adverbial because it is taking several words together to convey the meaning, to send the meaning to us. Here, this particular adverbial is telling us, is answering the question when. Now, if we look at phrase को identify करना सबसे easy है. You never have a phrase which carries a finite verb in it. So bundle of words, subject और finite verb दोनों हो, ऐसा कभी phrase नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा clause. So here what we do is what we find over here, let's see if there is any chance of, you know, cluster of words. Phrase normally comes in clusters. एक पैकेज जैसा होता है, हम लोग समझते हैं कि हाँ ये वर्ड्स को एक साथ होना चाहिए, ये एक ग्रुप है, वो दूसरा ग्रुप है. तो यहाँ पे at the concert is one group. Am I clear to you about this? At the concert is one group of one set of words, isn't it? This is one set and this is another set. Are we, first of all, can we agree on this point or not?
Yes, sir.
So these two colors suggest that these two are different sets. However, what is important over here is that हमें देखना है prepositional phrase यहाँ पे फिगर कर रहा है कि नहीं. ये एक adverbial है, ये वाला red वाला. The brown one is the, you know, second adverbial. In which you know, adverbial do you find the preposition? In which adverbial are you finding a preposition? क्या हुआ? Pranay? Pranay, could you answer this? My simple question is, where do you see a preposition? Can you see a preposition in this sentence? At least in any particular adverbial? Yogita? Yogita ji, am I audible? Or are
Yes,
you
sir.
listening to me? Ah, yes. Whose voice can I hear this? Here.
Nikunj.
Nikunj. अच्छा निकुंज बताओ.
The
Where do you see an at
at
preposition? ठीक है. अब at अगर preposition है तो हम लोग देख रहे हैं वो एक क्लस्टर में आ रहा है. वो एक क्लस्टर में आ रहा है. At the concert. At का जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो एक नाउन होगा हमेशा. Prepositional phrase, write it down, it is an unbroken law. Whenever there is a prepositional phrase, preposition will come first. Then, you know, a noun is going to act as the object of the preposition. No other rule can apply. So, here what we can see is this is an example of prepositional phrase at the concert. While last evening दोनों ही एडवर्बियल है. ये भी एडवर्बियल है और ये भी एडवर्बियल है. तो दोनों ही मतलब both are common in one thing, they are adverbials, but the nature of last evening is different. Here the head of this phrase is a noun. The head of this phrase is a noun and therefore this is a noun phrase. Evening और इवनिंग के पहले एक डिटर्मिनर है लास्ट. तो this is the difference. Both are adverbials. One is prepositional phrase, one is noun phrase. Noun phrase because last evening में the head of that particular phrase is evening. Last can modify it, nothing else. So last evening. When did it take place? Last evening. Function adverbial का है, but prepositional phrase always figures in those adverbials. And to give you more examples, here we go. I'm just going to now, underline, highlight the prepositional phrases. I hope you will write them down. If you don't write them down, then that's your choice. All of these are examples of prepositional phrase.
सर at home preposition phrase नहीं होगा सर second sentence
Huh?
second sentence sir at home preposition phrase नहीं होगा क्या
Lovely. I didn't notice this. Thank you. Thank you. Some romantic person must, say these things. So when I saw her for the first time here, for the first time is now. It is important that you understand one thing, beta, over here, all of you. जो मैं अंडरलाइन करके दे रहा हूं ये देखो मैं आइसोलेशन में आपको I am giving you examples of prepositional phrases, but there are other words in this phrase as well, in this sentence as well. So you might be asked, okay, identify the phrases in this sentence, and what they do is जैसे मैंने हाईलाइट करके दिया हाईलाइट नहीं रहेगा ठीक है and identify all the phrases that you see in this sentence. So they will test how much can you see. So now here this is one phrase. Okay, what type of phrase you can tell me if you notice it carefully. ये कौन सा phrase है?
Noun.
Good. कोई कोई verb phrase दिखा है अभी तक? नहीं ना? Verb phrase यहाँ पे अब अगर आप कहोगे sir hope to meet, what about this one? Actually, this is not a phrase over here. This combination cannot work. One is finite verb, the other is non-finite verb. Nature-wise, they are different from each other. तो these are not going to, ये तेल और पानी है. So if you want to, find out a phrase, well, this is one phrase, infinitive phrase. Okay, so to meet, this is one phrase, and hope is a different. It's a word. It's not a phrase. So you have to be cautious. And if you say infinitive phrase, वो भी problem हो जाता है. You can do. Uh, it's no harm if you say, sir, this is a, why not, why can't we say that this is verb phrase? It can figure, not the regular ones. The regular ones are more like, um, has been playing, uh, was being passed, uh, is eating, uh, was drinking, were, uh, were तो होगा ही, will be, meeting. These are all examples of verb phrases. Some other examples can be like, you can say, some examples you can also see from here. If you look at, can you see this page?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Okay, you cannot see the new page.
No,
अच्छा,
sir.
ठीक है, तो फिर से क्या, अब चलो, इसमें तो लग रहा है कि नहीं, ऐसे करके नहीं, ठीक है, नेवर माइंड. While the, okay, let's see how many students or who can find the different phrases in this sentence. This is a challenge to everyone. While the teacher was, this is your sentence. Can you tell me now, what are the clusters that you can see? I hope you can see the page, right? This new sentence, can you?
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे बता दो कि सर, ये सब वर्ड्स के एक एक ग्रुप्स है. फाइंड दोस ग्रुप्स.
That to slip out of the back door. To slip out.
You think
To slip out.
to slip out?
Yes, sir.
क्या एक एक, मतलब पहले एक तुमने कहा कि टू स्लीप आउट ऑफ द बैक डोर, फिर कह रहे हो टू स्लीप आउट. क्या, कौन सा है बताओ?
To slip out. No, to slip out.
टू स्लीप आउट, ये एक ग्रुप है.
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
ये मैंने एक ग्रुप बनाया तुम्हारे लिए, तुम्हारे कहने से। फिर और कोई ग्रुप दिख रहा है?
Was busy taking the class.
Was busy taking the class. This is another group. Sure. Hmm?
Not sure.
Think. See, let's discuss like this. Can we do this? Teacher was busy taking, या the class एक ग्रुप है और was busy taking एक ग्रुप है, क्या कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पे एक तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा सा, तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा सा आसान कर देता हूँ। चलो,
So taking the class, verb phrase.
taking the class is word phrase. पहले phrase मुझे बता दो, मुझे phrase point करो. You are saying, sir, taking the class is a particular phrase, according to you.
Yes, sir.
I'm just coloring it, you know, randomly. Okay. Any other phrase that you can identify? कि सर ये phrase है, उसका प्रॉपर्टी हम बाद में देखेंगे, पहले phrase पॉइंट करो मुझे. मैंने तुम्हें नाउन फ्रेज बताया, वर्ब फ्रेज बताया, प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज बताया है. तुम पहले फ्रेज को पॉइंट करो, फिर बाकी का बाद में देखेंगे.
So while the teacher.
While the teacher.
The teacher.
The teacher. Yes, somebody else. Any?
The back door.
Huh?
The back door.
The back door. Only
Of
the
the
back.
back door.
Huh?
Of the back door.
Of the back door. अच्छा. Good work. I would say as a team, you are working pretty well. Anything else that you can see? Any other phrase? Possibly अब इसके बाद और phrase possible ही नहीं होगा, क्योंकि she managed will become a clause because subject is she, managed is verb. तो subject verb अगर एक हो गया तो फिर वो clause हो गया, तो ये वाला तो नहीं होगा. अब let's see what you have done. The teacher. Can you tell me what kind of phrase is it according to you?
Noun
Anji?
phrase.
Noun phrase. Very good. Now here, teacher is the noun, the is a determiner. Okay, the is
Yes, sir.
modifying teacher. The is not an article. The is not an adjective. Remember that. It plays the role of a determiner. Article होते हैं by nature, but वो they work as determiners. Now the next one you have said is taking the class. What kind of phrase is it? किसी ने कहा था वर्ड फ्रेज, है ना?
Yes, sir.
कौन ये सर कह रहा है?
हर्षित राघव।
हाँ,
हर्षित राघव सर।
ओके ओके, राघव। हर्षित, ये जगह पे यू आर सेइंग दिस इज अ वर्ब फ्रेज. बेटा, probably verb phrase, I think I have to recapitulate. This is not exactly verb phrase में. अच्छा, ये बताओ, what is the difference between noun phrase and verb phrase, Harshit? According to you, what is the difference between noun phrase and verb phrase? Noun phrase में तो head जो होता है noun होता है. Verb phrase में क्या होता है? वहां क्या कोई head है?
प्रेडिकेटर।
कौन head है? Verb head है, obviously. Noun तो head नहीं हो सकता ना. अब taking the class में if you say sir taking is the head, तो क्या the class modify कर रहा है taking को? ऐसा तो नहीं. तो फिर हम उसको फिजूल में क्यों ला रहे हैं? देखो, आई एम जस्ट, यू हैव फॉरगॉटन इट प्रोबेबली. मैं झट से तुम्हें नाउन फ्रेज और वर्ब फ्रेज की कुछ बेसिक एग्जांपल्स दे रहा हूँ. नाउन फ्रेज मतलब जब भी द एप्पल ट्री, यहाँ पे जो ट्री है, this is the head of the tree is the noun, and therefore it is the head of the phrase.
Okay.
My bosom friend. Here, friend is the noun. Then you can also the boy in yellow shirt. Now, the boy carrying a yellow briefcase. Here, subject है the boy carrying a yellow briefcase और verb है lost. यहाँ पे noun phrase जो है, NP जो है, वो ये पूरा पार्ट है. Agreed. But which is the head over here? The head is boy. Head यहाँ पे noun है. यहाँ पे head noun है. सॉरी, नाउन यहाँ, हेड यहाँ पे बॉय है. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? ये दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग, वॉच इट केयरफुली. नाउन फ्रेज में प्री मॉडिफायर्स कौन हुए? प्री मॉडिफायर एक डिटरमिनर हो सकता है, एक एडजेक्टिव हो सकता है. हेड तो हमेशा नाउन होगा. दैट्स द बाइबल रूल ऑफ नाउन. हेड हमेशा नाउन होगा. ठीक है, पोस्ट मॉडिफायर एक नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब हो सकता है, पॉसिबली, बट दिस इज अंडर स्पेशल सर्कमस्टेंस लाइक कैरिंग। ठीक है, ये वाला, ये नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब है। और समटाइम्स पोस्ट मॉडिफायर हो सकता है प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज। पोस्ट मॉडिफायर के रूप में प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज भी आ सकता है। एग्जाम्पल, अगर ये सेंटेंस हुआ, यहाँ पे फोकस में नाउन ही है, फोकस में तो नाउन है, ठीक है, दिस इज नाउन बॉय, और द इज अ डिटर्मिनर over here, while a prepositional phrase is acting as a post modifier। प्री मॉडि देखो, हेड के पहले जो आता है प्री मॉडिफायर, हेड के बाद जो आता है पोस्ट मॉडिफायर। यहाँ पे द एक प्री मॉडिफायर है, द का फंक्शन क्या है, डिटर्मिनर। यहाँ पे इन येलो बूट्स, ये एक पोस्ट मॉडिफायर है, इसका नेचर क्या है, ये प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज है। सो दिस इज द थिंग, एक नाउन फ्रेज में हमें ये तीन चीजें ध्यान में रखनी होंगी, एंड देन वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट, इजीली वी कैन क्रैक every part that we have। Then we come to verbs, verb phrases। verb phrase में एग्जाम्पल्स अगर देने हैं तो अनगिनत है। is, carrying, was, pushed, am, waiting, uh, were, being, pulled, had been, watching, has eaten, then is being followed। देखो, बेसिकली इसमें वर्ड फ्रेज, व्हाई आर these combinations, called word phrases, because it is, word phrase is, you know word phrase comprises a combination of auxiliary plus main verb, comma, modal plus auxiliary plus main verb, or you can say auxiliary uh, plus बी का आईएनजी फॉर्म, आईएनजी फॉर्म, ठीक है। तो यू कैन से ना ऑक्सिलियरी बी का सिर्फ नहीं, ये वर्ब का, कोई भी वर्ब का आईएनजी फॉर्म हो सकता है। फिर हाँ जी, I didn't hear you clearly. Somebody said something and then okay. So auxiliary plus main verb. Whenever you say um, uh, was killed or is seen, am, or you can say did watch, do play. So all these things are one pattern. Modal auxiliary main verb हो सकता है may have dreamt, ये कॉम्बिनेशन। तो जब भी ये सब ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशंस है, आई फॉरगॉट टू पुट अ मॉडल, कैन swim, may, think, might have been, ये सब के सब कॉम्बिनेशन से वर्ब फ्रेज के। अब जब हम लोग नीचे आते इस सेंटेंस में, while the teacher was taking the class, she managed to slip out of the back door. Here, this particular phrase will not, perform the role of a verb phrase, because यहाँ पे noun, verb phrase में noun object कभी नहीं हो सकता, तो हमें इसको undo करना पड़ेगा। तो about that we'll have to see what other options are there. Now we can see that auxiliary plus main verb combination यहाँ पे है. This is our verb phrase. Am I clear now, Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we can, if this is one phrase, if this is the word phrase we are finding, what happens is, this is another phrase. And this will be again a what?
Noun phrase.
Good. Coming to यहाँ पे आते हैं। अब बताओ ये क्या है? एक्चुअली ये एक फ्रेजल वर्ब है, टू स्लीप आउट या स्लीप आउट, ठीक है। तो फिर भी ये फ्रेज तो है, तो कौन सा फ्रेज है?
Prepositional.
प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज होता तो ऑब्जेक्ट इसका नाउन होता, इसका ऑब्जेक्ट नाउन। टू स्लिप आउट, विल टॉक अबाउट दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्योंकि ये नाउन फ्रेज भी नहीं है, वर्ब फ्रेज भी नहीं है, प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज भी नहीं है, तो हम उसका चर्चा बाद में करेंगे। अभी इसको पहले ये वाला क्या है? What about the next block of the back door? What phrase is it? Come on, Vivek, if you can answer this question. Shikhar, Pratik, Satyam, so many students are there in this class. Tejendra, Tripathi, Satyam Tripathi, I hope you are there and you can hear my voice. Okay, if you cannot, this is a prepositional phrase. We'll talk about, phrases in length, at length. We need to do this. चलो, till now time is up already. आप लोग भूल चुके हो, अभी तो ये 3 फ्रेज बता दिया, इसके बाद एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज, एडवर्ब फ्रेज बताना है, then we'll move into clause. So please, study a bit and recapitulate whatever we have done in this class. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.